Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial about enabling or disabling applications during startup of your Windows. If there are many applications enabled during the startup, this will make boot time of the computer very slow. So let's disable some applications from the startup. Click right mouse button on the taskbar and go to Task Manager. Here go to Startup tab. You can see a list of applications that are enabled or disabled during the startup. So you need to disable applications that you don't want to run on the startup. For example, let's click right button here and click disable. We can disable Spotify as well. We can disable Google Chrome as well. So just check the list and disable the applications that you don't want to run on the startup, and this will increase the boot time of your computer. When you finish, you can just close this window. If you want more of these tutorials, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.